So I'll just go through the content, which is product development cycle, how it goes, where the manufacturing fits in the complete product development cycle, specialization in the manufacturing structure and strategies, future trend, major challenges, and a walkthrough. What we included here at the end of the presentation is a walkthrough of the real projects we do for the customer. So we can see this at the end of the thing. This is a slide which indicates the whole product development cycle. The point at which you start conceptualizing a particular product, why you want to have a new mobile phone, why you want to have a new fridge, why you want to have a new car, when there are so many around you. So you need to think what is missing, either on the price front or on the capacity front or on the feature front. You need to make out the specification in such a way that you target a particular sector. There's a reason you are going for a product. Why one company should come out with a new mobile phone? There are so many around. So you will definitely have either a different cost segment or different features. So this is what happens as you see in the NPD. So new product development cycle. So you analyze the features and the products available in the market, then try to come out with a gap, and that gap will eventually translate into the product development. It's an input to designer to make the product in that particular fashion. Say example Nano. Nano was conceptualized using the gap between the two-wheeler and the entry-level car, and that's how the product development cycle started. Having done that, we decide the styling, how will it look like. It again depends on the price band, it depends upon the target segment, all these things will happen. Having done that, we use reverse engineering to see that are there any carryovers from the previous model we can take up, because developing everything is very expensive. So maybe you can develop key particular parts and some can carry over. Having done that, you reach at the middle of the cycle of product development, that your product design is fairly available now and you know how it's going to look like. Main specifications are available. Now you go through the cycle of validation. So you validate whether this is okay from strength point of view, from functional point of view, is it okay, is it a problem. So this is the validation era where the tools like CAE, CFD, NVH, durability are used to get the predictability of the outcomes, how the product will perform in the market. Having got those feedbacks, you again put the feedback back to design to refine the design. Now this green circle, what you see, this is the design area. So far we described the design zone of the product development. Having reached that, now we start going towards manufacturing. Now how many parts you would like to make, what is the capacity, when do you want to start it, what is the investment. So all these things come, and what you see in a orange color ellipse is the basically manufacturing zone. So these two I have distinctly kept it separate. If you see design, the design typically happens in a design office. Very sophisticated, all facilities available. You have the latest computers, latest softwares, latest type of buildings, the resources, everything is ideal, though the design office interacts with very few agencies. On the other hand, if you see the other portion of manufacturing, this manufacturing is dealing with all the problems. They deal with the equipment supplier, the process planning, the operators, the quality, the processes, all these things are there. And if you see in past, the design was facilitated by many softwares like maybe CATIA, ProE, UG, AutoCAD. Right from early 80s, we had software available there. But in manufacturing, there are hardly any software. There is no single software which can take care. There are very few software which are able to provide the services to manufacturing.